Thanksgiving.
The first
Thanksgiving.
Big old cloud. Disgusting old fashioned. I just can't do the kilo.
flowers for the table.
Festive. Josh, how are you gonna pick out the wine today?
I wish everyone had the prettiest label.
You know this is the good stuff behind the glass.
They got it locked up.
I have been kind of wanting to try something like that.
$9 a pint.
Happy Thanksgiving!
They put me in charge of picking out the wine. Is that a good wine?
That looks good, huh? A 10. It's a 10.
It's a 10.
We got done.
Game on.
Yeah.
You guys have a beautiful Thanksgiving. We love and miss you.
We love and miss
you
y'all
guys.
too.
Happy Thanksgiving.
And I realized those are some of the Christmas trees that you took out there in the back of the box. You just put the Christmas tree cover on.
Ooh.
Yeah, you know it's true.
This is what would always happen when I was a kid. Get upset, decided it was me, and then by the time I made it back to the house, I didn't stand a chance. The verdict was already in.
Is that why you became a lawyer? You wanted a fair trial?
Now we represent others who are needing a fair trial. We tell their story. We make sure their side is heard. We get justice.
Lindsay,
Yes?
I tried my best to fix you and ride up.
I know, I was gonna say, do you still think that there's a chance?
I was working that one really hard.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Y'all be good together. Y'all are totally opposites. I just feel like this is a great hookup. And when he came back upstairs there, he says, I don't think she's interested. Never know. Listen, there's never a dull moment with Ryan.
He is fun, he's a fun, happy guy.
Doggy, I got a doggy today.
Behind the scenes, your eyes do look like blue steel.
Then stop. I'll go on.
You're the boy.
Just love, Bubba.
Just finished getting ready. Is it a holiday if you're not wearing fake hair?
God said to Hannah, I'll give this dog a kiss.
Here's our semi-homemade bird.
Impressions on my face to correct. What are you
We're
doing?
doing some photo editing over here.
Fix them all. Fix them all.
So cute. No more Sears home portrait studio for us. The first Thanksgiving. You guys aren't gonna sing this time?
Thanksgiving.
The first.
Thanksgiving.
They were
Unforgiving.
in their
Love stuffing.
Oh, we know.
Yes, time to eat. So colorful.
When it gets so realistic that it's just not okay anymore.
How would you review this Thanksgiving dinner?
The best Thanksgiving dinner I've ever had.
I think you're biased. This is much better lighting. Running into golden hour at 2:30 p.m. The best part for me about having Thanksgiving, just the three of us, is that I'm already in my sweatpants immediately post eating. Do you have a review?
It was a delicious Thanksgiving dinner. Good turkey, good sides, good wines, and it all got videos. Great Thanksgiving. Love y'all.
Signing out now. Josh Braddock, Braddock Law, APC.
That's the Christmas spirit. I am simply punishing those parents that will wait for the last minute to give their child.
Crack brownies, a box brownie mix with Reese's chopped up on top, toffee butter, peanuts, chocolate chips, peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter, and then we're gonna do some pumpkin pie, ice cream, and vanilla.
I didn't really think of it until after I'd served you.
Stuffing on the sandwich.
Did you? You want me to get you a little side of stuff in the
No,
calendar?
just a little bit.
Okay. Great Thanksgiving. Love y'all.